House and lot versus condo. Alin ang mas maganda bilhin? Good morning mga ka-realtor. Another house, another day. House and lot ba o condominium? Kung may budget ka para bumili ng property, alin kaya ang mas maganda na investment? House and lot o condominium? Ang totoo, walang one size fits all ang sagot. Depende ito sa budget mo, lifestyle, location, purpose ng pagbili at long-term financial goal. Kaya sa video na ito, pag-usapan natin ang advantages ng house and lot at condo para mas madali mong malaman kung alin ang mas bagay sa iyo. Option 1, house and lot. Unahin natin ang house and lot. Isa sa pinakamalaki ng advantage nito ay ang sarili kang bahay at lupa. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang building o unit ang binibili mo. May land component ka rin ng pwedeng magkaroon ng value habang tumatagal. Depende sa location at market conditions. Advantage 1. Mas malaking space kung ikaw ay may family, may mga anak, o gusto mo ng mas malaking living space. Malaking advantage ang house and lot. May sariling living room, bedrooms, garage, outdoor space, at minsan may garden pa kung kailangan mong mag-expand in the future. May mga properties na nagbibigay ng opportunity para sa renovation or extension, subject sa rules at permits. Advantage number 2, mas maraming privacy. Kung ayaw mo ng maraming restrictions at gusto mo ng mas private na environment, house and lot can be a better choice. Wala kang directly shared wall or common hallway tulad ng maraming condominium buildings. Advantage 3, potential appreciation. Dahil may lupa kang kasama sa property, may potential itong mag-appreciate over time, lalo na kung maganda ang location. Halimbawa, kung ang property ay malapit sa schools, malls, hospitals, business districts, transportation, at iba pang development na maaring tumaas ang demand sa area. Pero tandaan, hindi guarantee ang appreciation, location, market demand, property condition, at economic factors pa rin ang maka-apekto sa value. Advantage number 4, flexible para sa family kung long-term family home ang goal mo. House and lot can be very practical. Mas madali mong mag-customize ang space. Depende sa pangangailangan ng pamilya. Option number 2, condominium. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin ang condominium. Kung priority mo ang location, convenient, amenities, at potentially lower entry cost, maraming magandang option ang condo. Advantage number 1, strategic location. Maraming condominium developments ang nasa strategic locations. Malapit sa business, district, malls, schools, hospitals, restaurants, at transportation. Gusto mong malapit sa trabaho o negosyo, malaking advantage ito. Advantage number 2, amenities. Depende sa project, maaring may swimming pool, gym, function room, security, parking lot, at iba pang amenities. Kaya hindi mo na kailangang mag-maintain ng lahat ng facilities yourself. Advantage number 3, less exterior maintenance. Sa house and lot, ikaw ang responsible sa maraming maintenance concern ng property. Sa condo, may property management at homeowners association na mamamahala sa common areas subject siyempre sa condominium rules at dues. Advantage number 4, potentially rental income kung ang condo ay nasa magandang location na mataas ang rental demand. Maaari ito maging attractive para sa investors. Pwede itong gamitin for long-term rental or other permitted rental. Arrangements depende sa condominium rules at local regulations. Pero, importante din, hindi automatic na profitable ang condo rentals. Kailangan mong i-check ang purchase price, monthly dues, taxes, maintenance, vacancy, furnishing costs, at realistic rental rates. So, alin ang mas maganda? Ngayon, ito ang pinaka-importanting tanong. House and lot ba o condominium? Kung ang priority mo ay malaking space, privacy, family living, ownership ng land, long-term residence, maaring mas bagay sa iyo ang house and lot. Pero kung ang priority mo naman ay strategic location, convenience, amenities, proximity sa business district, potential rental market, maaaring mas bagay sa iyo ang condo. Depende sa purpose mo. Ang magandang priority ay hindi necessarily yung pinakamahal. Ang magandang property ay yung tugma sa purpose at financial capacity mo. Kung bibili ka para tirahan ng family for more than next 10 to 20 years, ibang condition ang kailangan mo kung bibili ka naman. Primarily as an investment, kailangan mong tingnan ang rental demand, appreciation, potential expenses, financial at excess strategy, at kung first time ka buyer, huwag agad tumingin sa presyo lang. Tingnan mo ang total cost of ownership, kasama rito ang reservation fee, down payment of equity, monthly amortization, association or condominium dues, real property tax, insurance, maintenance, parking, renovation, or furnishing costs, at iba pang applicable expenses. Importanting tip before buying: bago ka mag-reserve, huwag mahiyang magtanong. Ask about title or ownership, documents, developer or seller, property location, turnover timeline, financing options, monthly dues, house rules,